How to fix Apple Watch is dying so fast. Update your Apple Watch to the latest iOS. 2. Restart your Apple Watch. Restart your Apple Watch by holding the side button, turning it off, then holding the side button again to turn it on. This can help fix glitches, including unusual battery drain. 3. Disable Siri or Hey Siri on your Apple Watch. Turning off Listen for Hey Siri and Raise to Speak on your Apple Watch can prevent extreme battery drain. Keep only Press Digital Crown enabled to activate Siri when needed without wasting power. 4. Turn off Wake on Wrist Raise. First, open Settings on your Apple Watch. Second, tap Display and Brightness. Third, toggle off Wake on Wrist Raise. Toggling off Wake on Crown Up may also save on battery. 5. Turn off Environmental Noise Monitoring. The Apple Watch's environmental noise monitoring drains battery and may give unnecessary alerts, like during showers or dog barks. Most people can disable it without losing useful functionality. 6. Delete apps you don't use or that use significant energy. Apps on your Apple Watch can drain battery by constantly communicating with your iPhone even when not in use. 7. Reduce the number of notifications your Apple Watch receives. First, open the Watch app and make sure you're on the My Watch tab. Second, tap Notifications. Third, scroll down to the section labeled Mirror iPhone Alerts from. Look through the apps and toggle off alerts from any apps you don't need notifications from.